Hello dear friends and my dear students. Today we will learn multiplication. Hopefully you have your pen and pencil and copy with you. So please do the question with me, right? So go ahead. So we have the first question for the multiplication. Let's see. Question number 1. We need to multiply 4, 3, 2, 1 by 24. So how you will multiply? You know, you generally multiply this number like 4 1 ja 4, right? Then this one 4 2 ja 8, then 4 3 ja 12, 1, right? 4 4 ja 16 plus 1, 17. Then we cut here. And now multiply this 2 by 1. So 2, then this 2 into 2, 4, then this 2 and 3, 6, and this 4 and 2, this one, 8. Now we will add it. So we have 4, 8 plus 2, 10, 1 carry over here, 4 to 6 plus 1, 7, 6, 6, 12 plus 1, 13, 1 carry over here, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. This is the answer. Let's take another number. Maybe many of you know how to multiply. So I am doing this for those who don't know how to multiply. Suppose we need to multiply 4, 3, 2, 1, 6 by 3, 2, 4. So how you will multiply it? See here. So 4 into 6, 24. So 2 here. 4 1 ja 4 plus 2, 4 1 ja 4. And the carryover 2 is added. So it's a 6. Then 4 2 ja 8. Then 4 3 ja 12. 1 carryover here. 4 4 ja 16 plus 1, 17. Right? Then multiply by 2. So make the cut here and start with here. Always write one digit just below another digit. Okay. So 6 2 ja 12. So I do 2 here. Then 1 carryover. 2 1 ja 2 plus this one, 3. Then 2 2 ja 4, then 2 3 ja 6, then 2 4 ja 8. So now I need to multiply by this 3. So what I do, I cut here and this 2 I did now. So I cut here. So this is the position of 3. So from here I write 6 3 ja 18. So 1 carry over here. Then 3 1 ja 3 and this one 4. Then 3 2 ja 6. Then 3 3 ja 9. Then 3 4 ja 12. Now we need to add them. So this one 4, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 3, 8 is 16, 16 plus 3 19. 1 carry over. 4 4 8, 8 to 10 plus 1 11. See 4 4 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1 11. So 1 here, 1 carry over here. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 6 14, 14 plus 6, 20. So 2 carry over here. Now 2 plus 1, 3, 8, 11, 11 plus 9, 20. So 2 carry over here. 2, 2, 4 and this one. This is your answer. This is how we multiply, right? Now, let's see if I say multiply this 32 by 45. How you will multiply this? So here I am giving you a new method to multiply 2-digit number. How we multiply this 2-digit number with this 2-digit number with this 2-digit number? See here, this is a very easy method. 5 2 ja 10. 1 carry over, I write here. Then multiply 5 3 ja 15. 4 2 ja 8. Add them. 15 plus 8, 23 plus 1. This carry over 24, 2 carry over, right? Then multiply this 4 and 3. 4 3 is 12 plus 2, 12 plus 2, 14. So this one is the answer. You can multiply these 2-digit number, this one and this one, in one line. I take another number for you. Now see, if I have a number 2 and 5 and I multiply it by 6 and 3. So 25 is multiplied by 63. what is the answer? So what I will do, see here, I multiply this 3 into 5, 15, 1 carry over right here. Then multiply this 2 here, 3 2 ja 6. This one here, 6 5 ja 30. Add them, 36, and this one 37. So write 7 here, 3 carry over. Then multiply these two number. 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This is your answer. Right? Take another number. Right? Suppose we have 32 and we need to multiply by 32. How we will do this? See here. So 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6, 6 6 12. So 2 here, 1 carry over. 3 3 ja 9, 9 plus 1, 10, 1 0 2 4. Another question. Take another question. Suppose we have 52 multiply by 52. Actually, this method is very helpful to find out a square root. A square, right? We will see a square later on. So square means same number multiplied with same number. So same number and same number multiplied. So what is the answer? 2 2 ja 4. Now see, 5 2 ja 10, 5 2 ja 10, 20, 0, 2 here, 5 5 ja 25 plus 2, 27. Hai So it's a very, it's a very, like you can do it very easily, and it's a time saving one. So it's a very helpful in doing your questions. It saves your time. Now move to the next. So the question number 1, I'm taking question number 1. Suppose we need to multiply 3 into 100. What is the answer? So let's forget these zeros. You forget these zeros. Okay, just multiply this digit. 3 1 ja 3, and put this trailing 0 here. So answer is 300. Right? Take another question. Question number 2. Suppose I need to multiply 4 multiply 5 multiply 100. What 1000? What I will do? So I will multiply this 4 here. 4 5 ja 20. Right? Then multiply this 20 by this 1. Forget these zeros. 21 ja 20. So write 20 here and put this 30 here. So this is your answer. Right? Similarly, take another question. Suppose we have 200 multiply by 5 multiply by 600. Right? So what I will do here? See. So forget this trailing 0. Always forget this trailing 0. Just multiply the digit. 2 multiply 5. How much you get? 10. This 10 multiply by 6. You will get 60 over here. Right? Then put these zeros. 2 0 here and 2 0 here. So there are 4 zeros. So put this 4 0 here. Got it? So multiplication with 0 is very easy. Right? Take the fourth question. So suppose I have 400 multiply 800 multiply 600. Right? Now multiply this one. See what I will do. Multiply this 4 by 8. Just take the digit. Forget zeros. Trailing 0. This is called trailing 0. So 4 8 ja 32. Now multiply this 32 by 6. So you will get what? This is 32. Multiply 6 here. You will get 6 2 ja 12. 1 6 3 ja 18 plus 1 19. Now put the zeros. 2 0 here. 2 0 here. 2 0 here. So 6 zeros. 2 2 4 2 6. This is your answer. This is how we multiply a number when we have the trailing 0. Right? Don't try to multiply this one like, suppose we have multiplied 600 by 32. So don't multiply like this one. 600, 32 and 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. It's a time taking, and you need to learn every time how to save the time. Because in examination we don't have time. Right? So always we will try to learn short methods, logical methods, right? So this is how we multiply trailing zeros. Now comes to the next question. Suppose we have the question, we have question like question number 1, 2.34, and I need to multiply it by suppose 2. So what is the answer? So how you will do this? See, forget this decimal, forget this one. Just remember this number and you need to multiply it by 2. So what is the answer? 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, right? 4 2 ja 8, 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4. Now, after decimal, how many digit here? 1 and 2. So here there is 2 decimal now, 2 digit now after decimal. We will see this side, right? So after decimal we have 2 digit. So we will put here decimal after 2 digit from this side, from your right side, from this side. So first digit, second digit, we write here point. So answer is 4.68, right? Now take the another question. Question number 2. If we have a number 4.632 and I need to multiply it by 2.4, what would be the answer? See here. So what I will do, I will forget the decimal and write the number 4632. Got it? Multiply it by 24. So we have 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 1, 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25, 2, 4 4 ja 16 plus 2 18, right? Cut over here. Now multiply this 2. 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 1 carry over here, and 4 2 ja 8 plus 1 9. Now add them. 8, 6, 11, 1 carry over, 8 to 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry over, 9 plus 1 10 plus 1 11, right? So this is the answer. But now we need to add the decimal here. So see, after decimal in this number, after decimal we have 3 digit and 3 digit over here, and after decimal here is a 1 digit. So 3 plus 1 4 digit na. So we will put the point in the answer from here, from this side. We count 4 digit, 1 2 3 4. So point is here. So answer is 11.1168 is your answer. This is how we multiply a number with decimal. Got it? Take one more question and then practice it from the PDF provided. Suppose we have 6.321 multiply by 2.3, right? So take the number 6321 multiply by 23. Now multiply it. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9, 6 3 ja 18. Now cut it. Now multiply by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 2 ja, this one 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, right? Now add them. 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 9 plus 4, 13, 1 carry over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 1 carry over, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4, and this 1 will come here. Now, where we write the decimal? So, see, here, in this number, there are 3 digit after decimal, and here there is a 1 and this one 3. So, 3 plus 1, 4. So, from this side, we count 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I write point here. So 14.5383 is my answer. Got it? This is how we multiply the decimal numbers, right? Now practice it from your practice set which is given in your pen drive. Now see how we will multiply a fractional numbers. A fractional number. Question number 1. Suppose we have 3 by 2 and I need to multiply it by 1 by 4. So how you will multiply? So I will write it like 3 into 1, 2 into 4. So multiply 3 into 1, 3 1 ja 3, 4 2 ja 8. This is your answer, right? Take another question. Question number 2, right? So suppose we have 4 and 3, and I need to multiply it by 9 and 2. How I will do this? I will write 4 into 9, 3 into 2. Got it? Now I need to cut the decimals, cut the fraction. So is there, see how we cancel the fractions. Suppose we have a number, we will do it. See here. Suppose we have 8 and 8 by 6. So we can cancel it. How we can cancel it? Divide, take any number which will divide both these number. So in the table of 2, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6. So after cancellation we have 4 upon 3. Suppose we have 16 upon 4 and I want to cancel it. So take any larger number which can cancel both of these numbers, which can divide both of these numbers. So I am taking 4 because 4 4 ja 16, 4 1 ja 4. So answer is 4 upon 1. In the fraction, when we get a 1 in denominator, we will forget it and we will write 4. We always suppose there is always 1 here. Always in any number, suppose we have 3, in the denominator we have 1. But we just don't write it, we write 3, right? So answer here is 4. Similarly, suppose we have 108 and we need to cancel here denominator 102 and I want to cancel it. So I take any number which divide both of them. So I take 2, see here, 2 5 ja 10, 2 4 ja 8, 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Now, is there any number which can cancel this one and this one? Yes, 3. 3 1 ja 3 and we have 2. So 3 8 ja 24. Now cancel it by 3, means divide it by 3. 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21. So answer is 18 by 17. Got it? So similarly, we will do here. See, is there any number in this question here in numerator and denominator which we can divide by the same number? Yes, we have. See, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So what we have now? In the numerator we have 2 into 3, in the denominator we have 1 into 1. So we generally, if we have 1 into 1, we don't write it. 1 we don't write in denominator. So we have 3 2 ja 6. 6 is the answer, right? Move to the next question. Take another question. Suppose I have a number 14 upon 9 into 18 upon 6 into 7 by 3 and I want to multiply it. So first what I will see, is there any number which can we can cancel? See, so what is the answer? First write here 14 multiply 18. Even you can cancel here itself. 7 9 6 3. Is there any number which can be divided in the numerator and denominator? See, always when we cancel, we must have the number in numerator and denominator. We can't cancel only in numerator and only in denominator. Whenever we cancel up here and here also. Okay, one number must be in numerator, one number must be in denominator to cancel. You can't cancel like 2 7 ja 14, 2 8 ja 18. No, you can't do this. So see here, we have here 14 and here 6. So I can cancel these number by 2. 2 7 ja 14, 2 3 ja 6, right? Now 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. If I cancel a number here, I must need to cancel a number here also, right? And with the same number. So 3 1 ja 3 and 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, right? Now we have 7 into 2 into 7. 7 into 2 into 7 upon 1 into 3 into 3. Guys, Must see here. You can't cancel like 7 and 7 cancel. No, you can't do this. Always cancel a number from numerator and one number from denominator. Okay. So multiply them. 7 to ja 14. 14 7 ja 98. And here 3 3 ja 9. 9 1 ja 9. So we have 9. So this is your answer. Take another number. 16 upon 4 multiply 3 by 8 multiply 6 by 2 multiply 4 by 5. Okay, so we have this number. Now see guys, there is no need to write this way. You can cancel here also. Like see here, 4 and 4 cancel, right? 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16 cancelled. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 cancelled, right? So we left with 3 into 6 here. And in denominator we don't take 1. We have 5 here. So answer is 6 3 ja 18 upon 5. This is your answer. Got it? Take some another questions. Suppose we have 9 upon 18, 36 upon 4, 25 upon 9, 1 upon 5. So how I multiply it? See, so first I need to cancel them. So see, this 9 and this 9 cancel, right? Cancel always in pair, means one from numerator, one from denominator. 18 and try to cancel with the larger number. 18 1 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36, right? 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. So in the numerator we have 5 into 2, 10, and the denominator we have only this 4. Even this one can cancel. See, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. So I left with 5 upon 2. This is your answer. Take some another question. One more question. Like, suppose we have 1 upon 1 by 2 into 4, 4 by 8 into 9 by 2. Okay. So now I need to solve it. So what I will do, first change this mixed fraction into fraction. Okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, this one multiply and this one added. 2 1 ja 2 plus 1, 3. 3 by 2. Multiply 4 by 8. Right? Multiply 9 by 2. Is there any number which can cancelled? We can cancel it. Yes. See, 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Right? Now we have 3 9 above and 2 2 2 above. So there is no number in numerator and denominator which can you divide by the same number. See, if I divide it by 2, there is no number in numerator which can be divided by 2. See, 3 is not comes in number table of 2. 9 don't come in table of 2. So now we left with 3 by 9 above and 2 into 2 into 2 here. Means 2 to ja 4 to ja 8. 8 here. So multiply 27 by 8 is your answer. This is your answer. Okay guys. So here what we did, multiplication by decimal, and we did multiplication of the fractions. In the next video we will see how we multiply fraction number with decimal and fraction. Okay, but I must say always, whenever, see what would be your teaching style, you must revise the previous one and then start the new one. Always revise the previous one and start with new one after that. And always write the question and solve it with me. Okay, don't try to only watch the video. Thank you, students. And if you have any problem, you can have this number, and this number is with you. You can WhatsApp your question. We will sure send you the answer. Thank you for watching the video.